What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Duck, man, coming at you with another video. It is finally that day. I said I was going to announce the winner of the 500 subscribers getting Sky High car audio amp inputs. I am happy to announce the winner is somebody that I'm familiar with. Me and him were texting the other night via Facebook, or not Facebook, but via YouTube. And I told him I have some good news for him. So Greg Jackson, Mr. Greg Jackson, you are the winner. So thank you to everybody for subscribing to my channel. Right now I am at 503 subscribers. Happy to announce Mr. Greg Jackson, you are the winner of the Sky High dual amp inputs. So I will go ahead and add my email to the description of this video here, so you can email me your address and I'll get those sent out to you tomorrow. Like I said, it might come USPS or either FedEx. I don't care. Whichever one I got, I'm pretty sure I got to work tomorrow, so whichever one I get off in time to either run to the post office or to FedEx or whoever, these will be in the mail to you. So Mr. Greg Jackson, you are the winner, man. Congratulations. And he's not the only person who's going to be a winner here, man. Like I said, I got 503 subscribers. I appreciate everybody. At 700, we will be giving away that Sky High fuse holder back there. It is brand new. So I think that it's either at 700 or 750 subscribers. Okay, I'll have to go look at the video myself. And then 1001, everybody's eligible for the amp. Greg, you'll probably be discounted for the fuse holder, or the A&L fuse holder with the fuse, because I want to make it fair. But I guess to even make it even more fair, what I'm going to do now, I got these GP car audio amp inputs. What I want y'all to do tonight, matter of fact, let me help myself out while I'm talking crap. So yeah, I got all this stuff here. This is going to be going to Greg Jackson, but these will be going out to the new winner. What I want y'all to do, I'll go up here to the screen. Y'all see my view history. Mr. Big D Wiz has this video on the amp that I purchased, which is the Orion versus the Sundown. In order for y'all to do this one, all I want y'all to do is go to this video. I'll see if I can add the link in the description box of this video, but I want y'all to go to this video. Big D Wiz, it's the Sundown versus the Orion 3000 SPLX. All I want y'all to do is go to this video, say, hey, John Dove 14 sent me here, or you can put John Wagner, whichever one works. Just say John Wagner or John Dove 14 sent me here, and what I'm going to do, I want y'all to put a number from anywhere to 1 to 503. We'll do that since I got 503 subscribers. I'll go ahead and generate, there we go, I already got the 503 in there. So I can generate a number with this little app that I got on my phone. And whoever comments the correct number, along with hopping on Big D Wiz's video, just say, hey man, I'm here because John Wagner or John Dove 14 sent me here. This is one of my favorite people on YouTube, man. So definitely want to shout out Big D Wiz. I'm trying to get him involved in 1001 subscribers. So we'll see what happens with that. But in order to win these here, brand new GP dual amp inputs, haven't used them, haven't even put no, that's not the input, so that's the ill custom deal, but I haven't even screwed these in yet. So brand spanking new. All you got to do, Greg, you're eligible for this one as well. Just go to Big D Wiz's video, this video specifically of the Sundown versus the Orion. Just say John Dove 14 sent me here. Put a number from 1 to 503. I'll take a look at that. If y'all can do that tonight, so I can get it done by tomorrow. That way I can get these shipped out to whoever that winner is, man. So congratulations to Greg Jackson for these, the Sky High car audio amp inputs. Anybody is eligible to win these, so don't feel left out. There will also be more giveaways coming. So, but in order to get these two brand new GP car audio, just go to this Big D Wiz video. Just say, hey, John Dove 14 sent me here, or you can put John Wagner, whichever one's easier for you. When you comment on the video, put a number from 1 to 503, and whoever is on that video and gets that number, these will be coming out to you as well, man. So I'm gonna try to hurry up and get this video uploaded so everybody have a chance to win. Thank y'all for subscribing, man. Same deal as always, any questions, comments, concerns, hit me up, man. I'll definitely hit you back. It's your boy Young Dub. Everybody hop on these videos so we can get these the winners their inputs. Greg, you'll definitely be shipped out. Hopefully I can get everybody else shipped out tomorrow as well, man. But it's your boy Young Dub. I appreciate every last one of y'all, man. Seriously, I appreciate y'all. Hop on that video, leave a comment, leave a number, and let's get some amp inputs out to these people, man. I appreciate y'all, man. Y'all have a good night.